Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover article adjectives. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box below. Now, without any further ado or delay, let's jump right in. You must be wondering how could an article be an adjective, right? So, to answer this question, let me first introduce you to the basic function of adjectives, right? Adjectives are describers. You already know that it describes noun and pronoun, right? An article is a determiner, okay? It is determining, it is pointing out, right? It's not describing. So, therefore, article adjectives come under the category of determiner adjectives that perform the task of determining, okay? So, adjectives, basically those adjectives which are used to determine whether a noun is general or noun is specific, it is particular. So, for that we use article adjectives and they are three articles in English language: a, an, and the. So therefore articles are used to determine whether a particular noun or a given noun in a sentence is specific or it's general, right? Have a look at the examples and while comprehending the examples, I'll explain you what's the difference when we shift from the general usage of article adjectives to its specific usage. The first example before you is I met a girl. I met any girl. I met any random girl. Okay, so here a means one, okay, and it means any random. It is not pointing to any particular girl. Okay, I met a girl, I met a boy, I met a student, right? So the next example is the girl who is wearing spectacles is my sister. The girl who is wearing spectacles is my sister. So that particular girl, I'm pointing out to the particular girl. So for that pointing, I'm using a different article adjective, that's the. Okay, so a and an represents, when I'm determining a noun which is general. But when I use the article the, I am always pointing out to a specific noun. So in this article adjective example number 2, I am pointing to a particular a particular noun, right? So that was all about the article adjectives. So students, this section of the video brings an end to today's class and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to like the video, press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of my videos, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. All the important links of the playlist will be provided in the description box below. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing.